Hi everyone and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use what3words in Paragliding Pilot Retrieve. This app is available on Android and it is a useful app for paragliding pilots. If you land in an unanticipated location and have to inform your retrieve team your whereabouts and the status of your landing, you can use this app. For this to work, you have to have an internet connection and have your GPS turned on. Now, when you open the app, the 3-word address will be determined and appear in the top bar. Now, to choose the status of your landing, tap on the Select Message bar. A new screen opens and displays 12 messages, and you can just choose the relevant one and tap on it, and it will go back to the main screen. If you want to only share the status of your landing, you can tap on the Share Message bar, or if you want to add location information as well, tap on the Share Message and Location bar. Your smartphone will now open the screen, allowing you to select the messaging service you want to use, and you can send according to the settings of that app. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.